in terms of confidence, a lot of people feel like, oh, I don't feel confident, and if I don't feel confident, my business is going to work. And I would just offer this thought. People don't buy from you because you're confident in yourself. They don't. They buy from you because they're confident in you. I'm not saying there's not a relationship between your own confidence in yourself and other people's confidence. I'm saying that's not why they're buying. To prove the point, is it possible somebody could be irrationally confident in themselves in such a way that nobody trusts them? I gesture broadly at most politicians. I mean, God, look at the etymology of the word. It tells you everything. Poly, that's many. Science, yeah. Ticks, blood-sucking parasites. Anyways, people don't buy from you because you're confident in yourself. Give yourself a break on that. It's because you're confident in you. But then what makes them confident in you? A lot of it is this. You get these 5 fundamentals and people get pretty confident in you. First of all, you're behaving ethically. This does breed confidence. You're not preying on people. And then you have a niche. Well, just by the fact that you focused on something, you're not trying to be everything to everybody, they're going to trust you more. If you just know somebody specializes in it, your confidence goes up. Then you drop some really good point of view. They trust you even more. You have a really good offer that meets their needs, a really well thought out business model. They trust you more. And then a hub says you should trust them. Now they trust you. And you could be neurotic as hell.